Hello everybody, welcome to Good Meals, Good Feels, and today we're going to make a lot of people very angry by not adding enough spice to our curried lentils. I hope you're ready to learn cooking right along with me, and remember, we're always aiming for 3 things with our meals: make it easy, make it cheap, and make it tasty. And thanks to budgetbites.com for this recipe. Now first you'll want to spread 1 cup of lentils out onto a plate or a baking sheet or something to make them easier to see, and pick out any stones or funky weird looking lentils. Then you'll want to bring a sauce pot full of water to a boil, then add your newly rock-free lentils, bring it back to a boil, turn the heat down, put a lid on the pot, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After that's done, drain the cooked lentils in a colander. While your lentils are cooking, chop up 4 carrots. I like my carrots to be a little chunkier, but really any smaller bites will do. It's all up to you. Then peel and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Dice 1 whole red onion. And now it's time to use my sad can opener to open a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Seriously, I regret buying this really cheap can opener every time, so if you can, invest in a nicer one. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your skillet. Let that heat up and saute the carrots, garlic, and onion over medium heat just until the onions are transparent. Make sure to stir that occasionally, and when the onions are transparent, add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Mix that in and saute it for another minute or so. Now it's time for the stars of the show, the lentils and the tomato sauce. Add all that in, give it a good mix, and after that we're pretty much just heating everything up. Add some salt. That was probably a bit too much salt. It was a little salty, I'll admit it. Finally, taste for seasoning, and if it tastes alright, just finish heating it up and you'll be good to go. And there you have it. Add some cilantro for looks. Wow. Looks great. Get out of here, cilantro. Blech. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please share this video with your friends, or better yet, share some lentils. I hope you have a great rest of your day.